Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Tesla Model 3 error code BMS A035. The first step is to perform a soft reset. Sit inside the car and make sure it is in park. Then hold down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel at the same time. Keep holding them until the screen turns black. After a few seconds, the Tesla logo will appear and the screen will restart. If the message is still there, the next step is to power off the vehicle completely. On the screen, go to Controls, then Safety, then tap Power Off. Once the car shuts down, wait at least 2 minutes. Do not touch the pedals. Do not open the doors. Do not use the mobile app. After 2 minutes, press the brake pedal to restart the car. Next, check for software updates. Open your Tesla app and see if there is a pending update available. Install any new software version. Updates often fix bugs related to the battery management system. If the error message still does not go away, contact Tesla service through the app right away. This issue may require professional inspection. In some cases, battery modules, the drive unit, or related wiring may need replacement. Do not attempt to repair high-voltage components yourself. Thanks for watching.